500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800. 800 over here now, 850. 850 over here now, 900. 900 over here now, 950. $1,000. 1050. 1100. 1150. 1200. 1250. 13. 1350. 14. 1450.
I'm gonna stall this one, then I'll go.
15. 1550. 16. 1650. 17. 1750. 18. 1850, 19, 1950, 20, 2050, 21, 2150, 22,
Just jump it up to 25 and get it over with.
No, it's
2250,
said it go slow.
23. Got 2250 here. Anybody else 23? 2250 bid now, 23. Anybody else 2300? So I'm out, 2250.
You'll take a check, right? 5104. We won it. We paid a lot for this one. Let's get the first look here. Big gun safe. This is what we think is art. All packaged up nice. Some big tires in the back. A bunch of boxes. Let's get to work on this one. Guys, check it out. This is like totes full of brand new AMSOIL products. Brake clean, carb clean, all kinds of brand new oil filters. We got the first load in. We probably could have fit this whole unit in, but the complex is kicking us out. I guess they don't want us here after 8 p.m. Alright, we're back. Day 2. It's actually been a few days. We only have like 2 more days to get this cleaned out. Brought the dump trailer today. So a lot of this is trash. Let's get after it. cramped in here. So this is kind of a cool thing too. I put these shelves on Marketplace, and someone's meeting me at the facility to pay for these, and then we can load them up in their truck. That way I don't have to double handle them. So I tried all of my barrel keys. There's no numbers on that cylinder lock, so I can't order a key for this one. So we're just gonna drill it out and we'll buy a new lock for it, just because I'm curious on what's gonna be in here. Hopefully something cool. There's the first hole. There we go. Okay, let's come on in here. See what we got. iPad Pro box. Sure, that's worth nothing. Things you find in safes. What is that? Super Pull lapel pins? No idea. The blind side. This is a baseball signed by that person. This is a thing of sand. Empty box. Empty box. Bag. It is a Cutco knife. Handle with care. What is this? Declaration. What is this?
Declaration of Independence.
Huh. That's kind of cool. JLab. These things. Air Force book. That's a cool book. Sony camcorder. some old binoculars. Maybe some jewelry. Any of this actually gonna be gold?
Gold filled on that.
None of this is real.
This is silver.
Real silver?
The bucket should be.
How about you go through that? That was exciting. Ooh, flip phone. 25-year anniversary of silver anniversary. What is that? Some candles. And some more candles. That's what you want to find in a safe. Golly. Well, we double, triple sorted it back into the shop now. Now it'll just be one more sort into the dump trailer. This is not the most efficient way to be doing this. Okay, the unit's all processed. I just put that unit out for the yard sale. And then I'm going to put all my other units out there, but I just did it this way so we could go through that one unit. Now, the big score honestly was just what you see right here. That was really where the money sort of was. And honestly, we're probably keeping 80% of this. And then the filters and stuff that don't fit anything I own will just go on eBay. This is a Toda survival food. I'll be keeping that. My wife needed that for her work, so we're keeping that. This is my other keep pile. There's a saw. I think that's a lowering kit for something, but I'm not sure what. A couple jack stands, hammer drill, roulette little set, zip ties, some gun cases, and some trailer lights, like the magnetic type. Bunch of pistol cases. I'll be giving these to my friend that owns a gun store. Not one gun was in any of these cases. This is the eBay pile. Stuff like that. This is like Mickey Mouse memorabilia. Those little collectible mugs, they sell okay. Some of that stuff. This is pretty cool. Those are wedding dresses. I have a wedding dress lady that I give those to and she sells them. This box has like old binoculars for eBay. That's that signed baseball we found in that safe. Don't break the picture with that. Some purses, some Star Trek stuff. Now I'll show you the yard sale items because I'm having a yard sale. And this is just what was in the unit. Some tackle boxes, various tools, set of tires. I think we can get 400 for that set. It's got like 90% tread. That's a rug, more tools. I installed a new lock on this safe that we drilled out, so we'll try to get $100 for that. We can get 400 for this set of tires. Really good tread on them. Helmets. all in all, for like what we paid for this unit, it's really not a great unit. I mean, all the oils are nice, but honestly, if we didn't get all that oil, this would probably be a loss. I mean, it'd be close. You might break even, but that's not really why you do this. You don't want to do this to break even. These flag things are cool. I'm going to try to get 100 a piece for those. That mirror's pretty cool. I'm going to try to get 50 bucks for it. Those are nice art. These are two like display cabinets. Probably try to get 60 for both of those. These are just like houseware stuff, dishes, stuff like that. I haven't opened them yet. Toys for the kids. That stuff. That cart and that blue thing weren't in that unit, but all that rest of the stuff was. And that's it for that unit. We'll see if we could sell some stuff and recoup some of that money. I don't know, you win some, you lose some. I'll show you what this yard sale looks like after I clean out that container with all the old units that I bought over the past couple years. Well, that's it for the weekend yard sale. I think we got about $1,500 for the weekend, which is pretty good. I think on that unit we got about, with the shelf sells, about $1,500-1,600 of our money back, and we got all that oil in there. And like I said, there's over $1,000 worth of oil in there that I'll keep though, so you know, over the next couple years it'll save me money, but it's not like we really made money on this deal. Can't win them all.